Why color of iron on heating first becomes red and then reddish yellow? See, it is on the basis of two concepts. First, Vibgyor spectrum. White light made up of 7 colors, and red color is the maximum wavelength, longest wavelength of red color and the smallest wavelength of violet color. While moving from red to violet, wavelength of colors decreases, means red color having longest wavelength, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, and violet having shortest wavelength. Concept number 2, Wien's displacement law. Wien's displacement law tells us lambda max into T remains constant. This is called Wien's constant, and this Wien's constant having value 2.9 10 raised power minus 3 meter Kelvin. Breathe in. On the basis of these two, what is this lambda? Notice this also. This is wavelength of maximum intensity emitted out by any star or by any object at temperature T. This T is the temperature of hot object or star. Lambda m is the wavelength of maximum intensity emitted out by star or object, and this B remains constant. Remember these two. Now breathe in. See, this formula says lambda into temperature, wavelength into temperature is constant, and we are focusing on color. See, lambda is B upon T. Focus, this wavelength emitted out is inversely proportional to temperature. Now what happens when you heat iron? This is iron, you are heating it. So when you are heating iron, initially you are giving small amount of heat. See, heat increases step by step. Initially, this iron will be at lower temperature. See, you are increasing the temperature of iron, but initially it will be lesser temperature. Notice, if temperature is lesser, then longest wavelength emitted by iron. Breathe in. भाई जब आप आयरन को गर्म करेंगे तो स्टार्टिंग में उसका टेम्परेचर पहले कम होगा, अभी कम टेम्परेचर हुआ है। जिस समय टेम्परेचर कम है उस समय वेवलेंथ सबसे ज्यादा इमिशन होगी, सो इट अपीयर्स रेड। व्हाई? रेड कलर हैविंग लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ। सी, जब आयरन का टेम्परेचर कम है आप उसे गर्म करेंगे तो पहले कम होगा, तभी टेम्परेचर धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है। तो जब टेम्परेचर कम है उस समय वो लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ का इमिशन करता है। लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ रेडिश, सो इट अपीयर्स रेड इन कलर इनिशियली। नाउ आफ्टर दैट, इफ यू इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर, now you are increasing temperature. When this temperature is increased, see, on increasing temperature this wavelength will start decreasing. Notice, after red it is orange, lesser wavelength of orange, then lesser wavelength of yellow, so its color should be around orange and yellow. because wavelength is decreasing. On increasing temperature wavelength decreases. यानी कि अगर आप आयरन को गर्म करते हैं तो पहले कम टेम्परेचर है, कम टेम्परेचर पे सबसे ज्यादा वेवलेंथ का इमिशन करेगा, इसीलिए रेड नजर आता है। अच्छा, अभी आप टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज करेंगे तो वेवलेंथ डिक्रीज होगी, तो वेवलेंथ डिक्रीज होगी तो क्या नजर आएगा, ऑरेंज या येलो। सो इट अपीयर्स लाइक दिस, रेडिश येलो और ऑरेंज। गॉट इट?